Okay students, so question number 12. Question 12 here says, find out the name of microbes from which cyclosporin A, which is an immunosuppressive drug, and statins, which is blood cholesterol lowering agent, obtained. So where are these obtained from? So cyclosporin A is obtained from a fungus and statins are obtained from a yeast. Cyclosporin is obtained from a fungus named Trichoderma and statins are obtained from a yeast named Monaskis purpurus. Okay, this is an yeast. So, right, cyclosporin A is obtained from Trichoderma polysperm sporum, that is a fungus, and statins are obtained from a yeast known as Monaskis purpureus. Okay, so students, this is your question number 12.